Hello everyone, this is Victor from Speechless, and in this tutorial I will cover how to do some AI voice prototyping using Google Drive and connecting Wwise and Speechless through it. I will be using the game I developed, Skullbangers, as a jump-off point. We're going to create AI voice lines for the character Grant that will be used in the character selection screen.
Select your character.
Reel it in. Sure.
Heading back into Speechless, let's import the character and the lines. We've all done this before. Just link the Excel document, tidy it up. We got 52 lines and one character. What we're concerned with are the character selection lines. So let's shift click, add them, and let's generate an AI. Let's go with Arnold this time, why not? Perfect. So while this is doing its thing, we can head into Wwise. The voice lines are going to be stored in a random container. And we need to tell the random container where the originals are. And the originals are going to be in a Google Drive folder that we create in Speechless right here. So let's also create that same folder in the originals folder in Wwise. Let's call it prototyping. Once that's set up, we can sync it with our Google Drive. Perfect. So now we set up a folder in Google Drive that we can export things to from Speechless. Let's call it AI prototyping, why not? And let's pick the same folder that we just created. And in the mastering options, we'll export them as WAV files, since those are read natively by Wwise. Cool. Let's do a sync. And while we're waiting for the sync to load, we can listen to the audio files.
Ho ho! Let's rock! Ready to rock!
This might not be exactly what we're looking for, but let's see it in the context of the game first. So now that the sync is complete, Shift I in Wwise on the random container to open the import window, and we'll navigate to the folders that we have synced with our Google Drive. Select the Grant folder, that's where the audio files will end up. First time, we'll need to import the audio file separately. And great. They're in Wwise.
Ho ho! Let's rock! Ready to rock!
I've already set everything up with events and such, so the only thing we need to do is build the audio bank. And once that's built, we'll head back into Unity and launch the project.
Select your character.
Ready to rock! Ho ho! Yes. Let's roll! And I dig it! Let's roll!
Right, so I'm not perfectly happy with how the AI sounded. I want another voice. So let's head back into Speechless and generate another AI. Let's try something else. Arthur. Let's give it a quick listen.
Ho ho! Let's rock.
That's a lot better. So let's head into the export targets and do another sync. Also super important, double check that your local files are in sync with the updated one from Speechless. Let's head into Wwise again. Yes, rebuild the bank. All the audio files are already connected. Head back into Unity, start the game,
Your character.
and listen to the new voice lines.
Let's roll. And rock. I dig it. Ho ho!
Perfect. That'll do for now. And that's it. If you want to generate new AI voices for the game, just reiterate the process, and you're all set. But while I got you here, let me show you something nifty you can do with Speechless. So, if we create a new line using the same file name convention, and being a little clever with how we write the line, we can have an AI suggest new lines for us. So here's how you do. Just use the rephrase button, and there we are. These are all great. but I'm partial to this opportunity is my quarry. So if you ever have writer's block, try it out and let the AI do the hard work for you. That's me, Victor from Speechless, signing off. Have a great day.